Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to check TikTok watch history. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app on your phone and tap on its icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the bottom menu bar, tap on the profile icon. Once you are on the profile page, from the very top right side, tap on the three horizontal lines and a new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Here, select Settings and Privacy. In the Content and Display settings, find the Activity Center and tap to open it. Here, open the first option, which is Watch History. And here we are. These are the videos that I recently watched on TikTok. And that's it. This is how you can check TikTok watch history on your phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.